Hello folks, and welcome to another product review video. This time it's for this Parkside Rotary Tool. As you can see, it's rated at 160 watts. It has a rotation speed ranging from 10,000 to 40,000 RPMs. It has 4-meter long power cable, spindle lock. You can use it for drilling, milling, engraving, polishing, cleaning, grinding and cutting. Lots of stuff. It has 3 years of warranty. I got this from Lidl and it's pretty cheap there. So let's remove this in just a second. As you can see, it comes with pretty nice solid briefcase. Let's open it and see what we have inside. Of course, we have the tool itself. We have this clamp. I will show you later the usage of it. We have this LED light attachment. Again, I will show it to you later. This routing base. We have flexible shaft. I'm not sure you can see here we have a manual and of course a box of accessories. It's pretty nice. Parkside branded. So let's open it and see what accessories we have inside. First, we have this wire brush. We have one polypropylene brush. We have second polypropylene brush. We have one sanding drum. Let me put this inside. We have sanding bands for the sanding drum. We have one grinding stone. I'm not sure what's the usage of it. We have 1, 2, 3 felt discs. Of course, this one is not exactly a disc. We have this aluminium oxide pink colored grinding stones that are in 5 different shapes. Other things we have are just a second, 2, we have 2 diamond grinding bits in 2 different shapes. We have 2 types of arbor. One is for attaching the felt discs and the other is for attaching the grinding stones and the grinding discs. Also we have this little spanner that comes with a screwdriver on the other side. One drill bit and this bit, which I'm not quite sure, but it's made from some sort of hardened material. You can see, I hope you can see it when I bring it closer to the camera. Also, we have this spare collet here. So basically that's all. Now, let's take a look at the rotary tool itself. Pretty nice long cable. We have this hanging attachment here. We have a button for locking the shaft and easier removal of the chuck. Here is the original collet and of course the spare one is in the accessories box. Also we can tighten the chuck on hand, or we can use the spanner inside the accessories box. You can remove this and we can attach the LED light attachment. Pretty nice. Of course, if you want to change the batteries, you have to use a screwdriver and disassemble this attachment. Next we have the routing base attachment. With this scale on it. Well, of course the quality it's not that good as if you buy Dremel, but considering the price of this tool, it's a real bargain. Also we have this hanging extension or attachment, I'm not sure how to call it, which you can attach to the clamp that comes with the set. You can attach it over here and clamp the whole thing, let's say to your chair or to your table. Of course, you can screw it over here also. Pretty nice. My bad. Okay, you can extend this as long as you want. Also you can extend this part of it like this, and here you can place the hanging attachment of the rotary tool. Really nicely engineered. Here is an example how you can use this extending stand with the clamp. Here you can see also the flexible shaft. Now that's the flexible shaft. It's easy to attach to the rotary tool. Simply you have to unscrew the chuck, place the cord of the shaft like this, and screw back the chuck, tighten the chuck I mean. But of course firstly you have to remove this. Now one more time. Unscrewing the chuck, placing the shaft center or cord, or wire, I'm not sure how to call it. Then tighten the chuck by hand or by using the spanner in the accessories box. Then you simply have to attach the flexible shaft to the tool, and that's it. Pretty easy. It's quite flexible, as you can see. Next, for attaching accessories to the shaft itself, you have to push this plastic sleeve downwards, and you have access to the shaft chuck. Here we have another collet. Of course, you can use this one in the accessories box. Let me show you how you can place, let's see, this polypropylene brush. Pushing down and screwing the chuck, placing the brush and tighten it up, and here you go. Again, to remove it, pushing down and screwing, and we're ready. Now let's remove the flexible shaft. We have on-off switch and this regulator for the RPMs of the device. It has 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 levels, and the last one is marked as max. I'm not sure, but I think it's manufactured in China. No, it's not written here. Okay, let me first set the power level to minimum. Of course, I will make another video showing you this tool in real action, not just turning it on and off, but that will happen later. Overall, for the price of 25 euros, I think this tool is absolutely excellent. Nice looking, light, rigid, rubberized handle, and lots of accessories, storage briefcase, LED lamp, 4-meter long cable, simply perfect. So that's from me for now, guys. If you like the video, thumbs up and subscribe.